A request often begins with 2 words, conductive flooring. But what must the project control? The resistance of a product sample, the installed floor to ground, or the complete path through a person, footwear, flooring and ground. These are related. They are not the same requirement. Before products are compared, 4 points should be defined: the intended function, the applicable standard, the test method, and the acceptance window. If flooring is part of a personnel grounding system, footwear and the person become part of the path. If it will control charge on carts or mobile equipment, caster material and electrical continuity also matter. The floor cannot be specified in isolation from what will move across it. A resistance number is useful only when the measurement is clear. Was it surface resistance, volume resistance, point-to-point resistance, resistance to ground, or a person footwear floor system? Values from different measurements should not be treated as interchangeable. The identity also includes the method and electrodes used. It includes conditioning, temperature, and relative humidity. And it includes whether the value is a declared product range, a submitted sample result, or an installed acceptance limit. Without that context, comparison becomes unreliable. The selection goal is not the lowest available resistance. It is controlled and repeatable charge dissipation within the limits required by the project and its ESD control program. A lower number outside the intended design is not a substitute for a defined window. JD 5000 and JD 9000 have a declared resistance range of 1 × 10⁵ to 1 × 10⁸ ohms. That range describes the product platform. It does not, by itself, define the correct acceptance window for every facility. Before approval, confirm the applicable standard and test method. Confirm the target product and installed system limits. Confirm the intended footwear, casters, or other operating interfaces. Confirm the expected temperature and relative humidity range. And confirm the post-installation acceptance method. Conductive or static-dissipative is not enough as a purchase description. A usable specification states what must be measured, how it will be measured, and what result the completed system must achieve. Read Judy Matrix Notes 006 at judymatrix.com. Next, if the required window is clear, what does a passing test report actually prove? Curiosity before certainty. See beyond.